How to install Ford Focus view spacers step by step. A great way to improve the performance and appearance of your Focus is by installing Ford view spacers. However, it is important to choose the right type of Ford Focus view spacers and ensure that they are installed correctly to avoid any negative effect. Let's take a look at the correct installation steps. Use a cross wrench to loosen the lug nuts on the side of the wheel in a diagonal sequence, but do not remove them completely. Using jacks to support each end of the car is a better safety measure. Use a cross wrench to remove the wheel side lug nut. Remove the wheel of the hub and set it to the side. Look at the wheel hub assembly for rust. You can use a brake cleaner to remove them. Remove any rust and dirt from the wheel hub with a rag. Widen the entire surface to ensure it is smooth, because all of that surface may cause the wheel spacer to not fit perfectly with the hub. Install the BONOSS active cooling for the Focus wheel spacers. Then install the matching lug nuts. Tighten them with a torque wrench. A key advantage of BONOSS Focus wheel spacers is the active cooling feature. These BONOSS Focus wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distributed in pedal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. All BONOSS Focus wheel spacers are forged. In addition, high-precision Focus wheel spacers provide high surface integrity, effectively guarantees safety, stability, and reliability, and ensure a smooth installing experience. Install the ring and then install the stop nut. Use a torque wrench to tighten them on the wheel. Make sure they are secure. Remove the jack stands. Slowly lower the car until the tires fully touch the ground, and remove the jack. Use a torque wrench to tighten the lug nut to the specific torque. Always tighten them in a diagonal sequence. This will ensure that the lug nuts work. The same operation is done for remaining wheels. BONOSS recommended checking the use of the Ford Focus wheel spacers every 6 months and checking the vehicle operation to ensure safe driving. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.